LE207, Fundamental of Electrical Engineering. Today I will talk about series and parallel circuits. For my first topics, I'm going to explain the difference between series circuits and parallel circuits. On my title slides, you can see the two basic ways components can be connected in a circuit. These two connection methods affect how currents flow, how voltage appears, and how device behave when something fails. As you can see on the next slide, a series circuit is when components are connected one after another one in a single path. This means the current only has one route to follow. If one component stops working, the entire circuit stops. A good example is old Christmas lights. If one light bulb burns out, the whole strings turn off because the current path is broken. On the right side, as you can see, is a parallel circuit. A parallel circuit gives electricities more than one path. Each branch has its own connections to the power supply, so each device operates independently. This means if one branch fails or one device is turned off, the other branch still works normally. That's why when home wiring always use parallel circuits, because we want each appliance to work separately and reliable. On the final slides for these topics, you can see the basic electrical behavior of both connection types. In a series circuit, the same current flows through every component and the voltage is shared across the resistors. In parallel circuits, the voltage is the same across every branch, but the current splits depending on the resistance in each branch. This is why parallel circuits tend to have lower total resistance and supply more current overall. So let's see from my examples then. This one is a parallel circuit. I will let R1 equal to 2 ohms and R2 equal to 4 ohms. And the question is, I need to find the R total. So when we do series, if R1 connect to the R2, something like this, we can just add them together to get the R total. But for parallel, we need to use 1 over R total equal 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 and plus 1 over Rn. And n is 1, 2, 3, and continues. So for this question, R total, 1 over R total, equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. So it's going to equal to what? It's going to equal to 4 plus 2 over 8, which is 6 over 8. So R total equal to 8 over 6 ohms. And that's it. So overall, the main idea is simple. Series has one path and everything depends on each other's, while parallel have multiple paths and each device works independently. These two ideas appear every time in electrical engineering and they are foundation for understanding real circuits. Thank you.